Welcome back, first grade friends. This is Mrs. Dutch, and today I'm bringing to you math lesson 10 4. We're going to add tens and ones using an open number line. And when you're done with this lesson, you're going to be able to use a number line to solve addition problems. So let's get started with our visual learning.
Use an open number line to find 25 plus 4. You can count on by ones. Why is 25 the first number shown on the number line?
Okay. 25 is the first number shown because 25 is one of our add-ins. Add-ins are numbers that you add together to get a sum.
25 is the two-digit number that you are adding. What does the first hop from 25 to 26 show? It shows that you counted on one more from 25. How do you know that 29 is the sum? 29 is the sum because you made 4 hops to count on by ones from 25 to 29. You added 4 to 25. Use an open number line to find 25 plus 30.
Okay, our try it. We're going to use our try it to help us with this. Okay.
Drag the slider to add tens on the open number line.
So we're going to be counting by tens instead of by ones. So 25, 35, 45, 55. We added 3 tens.
You can count on by tens. What is the missing number on the number line?
Select your answer.
Okay. 25, 35, 45, 55. Very good.
25 plus 30 equals 55. How do you know that 55 is the sum?
Okay, we know it's the sum because we know that we hopped 3 spaces, and those 3 spaces we were counting by tens.
55 is the sum because you made 3 hops to count on by tens from 25 to 55. You added 3 tens, or 30, to 25. Now you know how to use an open number line to solve addition problems.
I like using open number lines.
And I like open number lines too. I hope you do too. So let's move on to our guided practice. Okay, in our guided practice, number 1, they've done for us. It's one of those trace overs. So the problem is 37 plus 30. So they're adding 30. So they went 37, 47, 57, 67. So 37 plus 30 is 67. Now we're going to do number 2 together. This is 26 plus 50. Okay, and the first number that I'm going to make on the number line will be the number 26. And when I look at the number that I'm adding to 26, is the number 50. So 50 is 5 tens, and my first digit in the number 50 is a 5. So I'm going to make 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go back and number them. So 10 more than 26 is 36. 10 more than 36 is 46. 10 more than 46, that's right, is 56. 10 more than 56 is 66. And 10 more than 66 is 76. Therefore, 26 plus 50 equals 76. Okay, very good, boys and girls. Let's move on. All right. Here we have our independent practice. And let's see, I'm just going to do one of these because I want you to see that when you add numbers, you can reverse the order of the addends. Addends are the numbers that you add together to get the sum, and the sum is the answer. So I'm going to do number 4, and then I want you to do the rest of these independently. Okay, so number 4 is 40 plus 16. Now, I'm going to start with the number 16. And that's because I want to count by tens to make my hops. So I'm going to put my 16 here. I look at my other addend, which is the number that I'm going to add to it. And it is 40. 40 begins with a 4, ends with a 0. So I know that it is, I can count by tens because it ends with a 0. And it starts with the number 4. So that's how many hops I'm going to make. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I go back and number them. 10 more than 16 is 26. 10 more than 26 is 36. 10 more than 36 is 46. 10 more than 46 is 56. All right. So the sum of 40 plus 16 is 56. All right. And I encourage you to go back and practice these because this is a wonderful way to add using the open number line concept. And an open number line, you can make it on any scrap pieces of paper that you have handy. If you're taking a test or anything like that, it's just a wonderful tool to know how to use. So let's move on. All right. We have 5 problems here. I'm just going to do one. Okay. And we have here, let's do number 8, because here on number 8, we have the same situation where our numbers, we're going to move them around. Okay. So it says use tools. And our tool today that we're using is the open number line. Danny writes 20 pages of his paper on Monday. He writes 32 pages on Tuesday. How many pages did Danny write in all? Use the number line to solve. So again, we have in all, Those words let us know it's going to be addition. They set the problem up for us, but when we hear or see the word in all, we know that we're going to be adding. So I'm going to start with the number 32 on this open number line. Remember, when you're adding, you can change the order of your numbers. And I like the 32 to go first because I'm going to count by tens. So when I look at the other add-in, we have the number 20, and it have 2 tens in it. So I'm going to make 2 hops. 1, 2. Now I'm going to go back and number them. We have 32. 10 more than 32 is 42. 10 more than 42 is 52. Notice my first number changes. That's in the tens place, and the second number in the ones place stays the same. So 20 plus 32 is 52. So Danny wrote 52 pages. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to go to Pearson and do the Practice Buddy 10-4. Have a good day. See you later. Bye-bye.